I have a problem. It's been 5 months, and the game you see in the background right now has no audio. I tried purchasing sound packs on Unity's asset store, but nothing fit. So I recorded my voice and applied one filter in Adobe Audition. In this video, I show the filter and the before and after. At the end, I replay this same scene, but with the updated audio. I never wanted to record my actual voice when I'm doing these character sound effects. And originally I thought it would be super easy to just bring up Unity Asset Store and just purchase a bunch of audio that would fit my game. And it was shockingly difficult to find anything. I did find some music and some generic sound effects, but in terms of character voices, nothing fit the style that I was going for. It's like a cutesy, stylized approach, and I did not expect that I had to record my own voice. It's embarrassing. It's already hard enough for me to record these videos because it's hard for me to listen to my own recording or recordings. And in this case, when I was recording, like in my mind, I know what I want the sound effects to sound like. And when I was recording these sound effects, I was just cringing. But one nice thing is once I put the filter over them, then it was no longer me being cringy. It was someone else, or I don't know what it is. There's just something about it being my voice. But in this case, you'll notice that I recorded the audio just using this setup for YouTube. And then I brought the audio into Premiere and spliced it up. Not every recording was great, so I cut out the stuff that I didn't want. And then I took the stuff that I liked into Adobe Audition. And Adobe Audition has this really cool filter, stretch and pitch. The preset already exists, raise pitch. And for me, it works for what I'm looking for. Here's an actual gameplay of what that looks like. When I go into the game, I hatch some eggs. Once I put it into the game, it was so much nicer just to hear something. Now, I can always replace this audio at a later date. And yeah, I think it's working out quite nicely until I change my mind. But for now, I liked it, and at least this approach is super simple. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just running it through one filter. It's really hard for me to visualize the overall feel of the game without all the elements. The moment I added the audio in, it just brought a level of excitement that wasn't as strong before. It's not, I mean, the idea is that it just basically makes the whole thing feel better.